Select the correct number from each group of numbers to complete the equation. So here our equation, on the left side we have 7/8 minus the grouping or the quantity of -2 plus 3/4. Now on the right side of the equation, you'll notice we have the given plus 7/8, and that is the same as the positive 7/8 on the left side of the equal sign. So that's already a true or an equal part of the equation that we don't need to work into the set of parentheses. We do have to note, though, that on the right side, we're adding. We have a sum, versus on the left side, we have a subtraction. We have a difference. We have to be mindful of that. But if we wanted to change that, we can think that if this quantity on the inside were the opposite, if this was a negative quantity, and then we subtracted it, that would be like adding, right? That subtraction would turn into a plus if it was adding the opposite on the inside, or if it was subtracting the opposite. So, for example, if this is a -2, then first it would have to be a +2. If this is a positive 3/4, then this would have to be a negative 3/4, and then our expressions would be equal. Let's actually now simplify both sides and see if they're true before choosing that as our final answer. If we are simplifying 7/8 minus 2 3/4, we first have to simplify the -2 plus 3/4. So that would give us 7/8. Now minus -2 plus 3/4 is -5/4. So now negative times a negative is a plus, so 7/8 plus 5/4. If you multiply this by 2/2, it's 7/8 plus 10/8. So we're going to get left side of the equal sign as 17/8. So now if we simplify the right side, again, we need to first do 2 minus 3/4. So that's going to give us 5/4 plus 7/8. And again, if we multiply by 2/2, that's 10/8. So that gives us plus 7/8 is again 17/8. So you really want to use the fact that you have on one side of the equal sign a minus, and then another side of the equal sign a plus, and then use the fact that if you can do minus and negative, it'll turn it into a plus. So since they're now both equal, you needed to input 2 and -3/4, which was answer choices A and H.